I need a volunteer. Anybody? Anybody? Yeah? Yeah? Come on! Come on up. What's your name? Phyllis. Give it up for Phyllis, everybody. All right. Like Kenneth Parcell before us, we're going to live bleep this because somewhere in the program I saw that it was family friendly. So can you give me your best beat? Bleep. Like, bleep. Like somebody just said a naughty word on TV. Bleep. There you go. That's good. That's good. We'll work on it. We'll work on it. All right. So you're going to go ahead and just read those lines when we get to them. So this is Aaron Posner's adaptation of Chekhov's The Seagull. The name of the play is Stupid Ing Bird. So we're just going to get going right into it. You guys like my flowers? Yeah? Yeah? John's character got them for me. I just had opening night. Now, I know you're surprised. Now, his sister, who, to tell the family secret, also happens to be my mother, she heckled the play so badly that I had to just put it out of its misery. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me not. She loves me not. She loves me not.
Oh, please. You know she loves you.
I don't know.
You can see it.
I can see it.
I can't. Not anymore.
She loves you.
She sure has a weird
Fucking,
way of showing it.
that doesn't mean that she doesn't love you.
I don't know.
But she's your mother.
So? You really think every mother loves her son? You don't think that deep down a lot of them kind of, hate them?
Oh, Connie.
All the sacrifices, all the energy, the money and time and poop and mess and stress and stretch marks and wrinkles.
I don't know. I'm not exactly an expert in family affairs.
Oh, come on. You know your little sister as well as anyone. You've had to deal with her since she was born. You know I'm right. She doesn't for 1 second want to think about the fact that she has a grown kid. Dye and Botox can't fix me. The math of me. I mean, she had me when she was 19, not 9. So if I'm this old, then that means she's that old, and she just kind of hates me for that.
Oh, I can see how you might think.
And she knows I hate the art that she makes. Those awful, stupid movies and those ridiculous plays. Mr. Winthrop's Cat, or Turn on the Sixpence, or whatever the...
The last one got great reviews.
Oh, please.
You didn't like plays? I'm sorry, you don't like plays? Now I thought you loved plays.
We need new kinds of theater, new forms. I mean, do you have any idea what's passing itself off as theater these days? Do you ever go? No, I know you think you should, but do you ever of your own free will?
Don't you know how much tickets cost?
I mean, this theater, this one, where we're doing this show right now, this one is better than most, maybe. Who knows? Anymore. But Christ, what they're doing to Shakespeare these days to make him accessible, and this tiny, tepid, clevery little plays being produced by terrified theaters, just trying to keep ancient Jews and gay men and retired academics and a few random others who did plays in high school trickle in their doors. Do you know that 6 people is now a big play? 7 or 8, like this one, yes. I know I'm in a play. I'm right here, and you're right there, and since you can see and hear me, let's just assume that I can see and hear you. And when you reach for your program, like you did earlier, ma'am, to, I don't know, see if I've ever worked at stages, or if John's ever been on Broadway, or probably find the best place to eat after the show, I saw you. We all see damn near everything you ever do out there, just so you... I mean, I'm not blaming you. We're glad you're here. We're totally grateful, actually, but just so you know. You know? Yeah, so a play with 7 actors like this one, it's practically unproducible. If we weren't a deconstruction, a rip-off of a classic. Thank you, Chekhov, and you! We probably wouldn't even be here right now. You know? You know? But seriously, good Christ, we need new forms, new passions, new ideas, something real. You know, something real. You know? Or, what's the point?
Like this?
What?
The play we're in right now? Is this the kind of new work that you mean? New form?
No! Better than this. Amazing, brilliant, new forms of theater that can actually make you feel like living better, or fuller, more.
But what kind of...
We need new forms that are actually new. New forms that open up new possibilities, new ways of being in the world. We need bigger hearts, we need wider minds and better ideas, and we need them now. We need them now! I mean, don't you feel that? Don't you? Don't you? Don't answer that, it was rhetorical.
What about...
Don't you dare
Say, fucking...
Cirque du Soleil, where's a Bruda, whatever to me. Big ass spectacle, because that is not what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about eye candy and diversion.
No.
Sorry? What were you going to say?
I was... No, you were right. I was going to say Cirque du Soleil. I just saw them once and I thought they were...
What?
Wonderful. I thought they were wonderful.
Yeah, me too. But nothing changed. Nothing in me, nothing in the world, nothing. It's like the hand job of the theater. Sure, nice, fine, there's some pleasure involved, sure, but nothing real has actually happened. Nothing worthwhile has been exchanged or transpired. Nothing real, you know?
Why do you...
What?
Why do you need things to change? Why do you want to change?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Why do I want to change the world? Is that what you're actually asking me?
Well, I mean, yes. Yes.
Have you seen the world lately? I mean, actually seen it.
Here he goes.
Rampant stupidity, inconceivable greed, legitimized fear-mongering, and xenophobia, and the global glorification of meanness and indifference to suffering, selfishness and neediness achieving new heights never even before imagined. Old forms of everything, always being called new, but never actually being new, and new technologies and media onslaughts and breakfast cereals, appealing with assassin-like accuracy to the worst impulses human beings have been cultivating subterraneously for the last 10,000 years. Why do I want to change the world? Because the world needs changing. And once upon a time, somewhere, maybe in Eastern Europe, or at least the Eastern Europe of my imagination, the theater could maybe be some tiny part of that. And it has got to find its way back to that. Or it should go the way of the dodo and bell-bottoms and the newspaper and just go away.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you guys so much.